Oh my gosh, Lulu's on camera. Hi, Lulu. Say hi to the internet. The most camera shy dog in the world. So that was Lulu, my mom's dog that I inherited. Um, and today, Lulu and I are doing a taste test. Potato chips! Lay's wavy fried green tomato flavored. Limited time flavor. I was really excited. Something new. And then when I mentioned to my lovely assistant, my better half, that I got these, her enormous brain reminded it accessed the computer files in her head and reminded me, you've had these before. I said, no. And she said, yes. And I said, no. And she said, yes. And I looked on the internet, and it was 2017 they had these. So you were right, and I was wrong. Man, that hurt to say that. Anyway, I'm having them again. It says tangy, wavy, yum. Let's see if they're lying. And Lulu has gotten bored and walked away now. It looks like a heavily powdered potato chip. Smells like potato chips. I'm not picking up tomato or fried or anything. Let's try. Can I try a package of 2017 version, please, for comparison? That one was a potato chip with some generic coating, seasoning coating. Potatoes, vegetable oil, less than 2% of buttermilk, salt, blah, 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 sugar, dextrose, tomato powder, onion powder, brown sugar, spice, blah, 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 and mustard and vinegar. Now I'm gonna have to head down south to get me some real fried green tomatoes, because they don't taste fried, they don't taste green, they don't taste tomatoes. They taste like I said, potato chips with generic seasoning. No, thumbs down, but I mean, they're okay for potato chips, but I could have gotten any flavor of potato chips and been just as happy, I think. Now, there is, now that I swallowed all that, a little bit of burn from the spices in the back of my throat. But guess I could fry up my own green maters, but if I get hold of a mater here, they've been getting some really good beefsteak tomatoes in these here parts, and I'll make me a mater sandwich on bread with maybe a little lettuce or spinach and some mayonnaise or ranch dressing, salt and pepper. Ooh. So good. Oh, and a little bit of Mrs. Dash. That the herbs really bring out the tomato. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, putting up with my stuttering. Thank you for your helpful comments, your encouragement, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!